Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vaughn and you are watching VinWorks. The Made by Google 2025 event is just around the corner. And let me tell you, the leaks have been non-stop. We're talking specs, colors, prices, and even a mountain of new renders showing every phone in the Pixel 10 lineup. So in this video, I'm running it all down for you. What's real, what's rumored, and what to expect on launch day. Let's break it down. First up, the event itself. Google's going live on August 20th at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern from New York. We're expecting 4 new models, the Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, which is the one I'm looking out for. On top of that, possibly the Pixel Watch 4, new Pixel Buds 2As, and maybe a few surprises. Let's talk design. Evan Blass just dropped dozens of crystal clear renders, and honestly, these phones look incredible. The Pixel 10 lineup keeps that signature Pixel style, flat sides, that iconic camera bar, but the detailing is sharper and the color choices are on point. The base Pixel 10 comes in Limoncello, which is that bright yellow-green on the right, Frost, Indigo, and Obsidian. The Pro models, on the other hand, only get Moonstone, Obsidian, and Porcelain. Whether you like your phone loud or understated, Google is giving you options. Here's where it gets exciting. All 4 models are powered by the new Tensor G5 chip built on TSMC's 3nm process. That means better performance and battery life. The base Pixel 10 has a 6.3-inch Actua display, 12 GB of RAM, and for the first time on a non-Pixel Pro phone, a dedicated telephoto lens. That's a triple camera setup, 48 megapixel main, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 10.8 megapixel telephoto. Front camera is 10.5 megapixel with autofocus. The Pro and Pro XL set it up with a Super Actua display, 6.3 on the Pro, 6.8 on the XL, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 50 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with up to 100 times zoom, plus 8K video support. The Pro selfie cam is a 42 megapixel, and the Pro Fold, an 8-inch internal display with a 6.4-inch cover screen. The same top-tier cameras, up to 1 terabyte of storage, and an IP68 dust and water resistance, potentially the first dust-tight foldable. Of course, hardware is only half the story. The Pixel 10 series leans heavily into AI powered by Google's Gemini. You'll get Camera Coach, which guides your shots in real time, Speak to Tweak, which lets you edit photos and videos just by telling the phone what you want, and a new Pixel Sense Assistant, which learns your habits and personalizes notifications. Some models will even come with a free trial of Google's AI Pro subscription. Oh, and rumors say we'll be finally getting magnetic Qi 2 charging built right in. People are still on the fence whether we'll get the Qi 2 charging on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, so that's something we'll actually have to watch the event for. Battery life is looking solid. Google's promising over 24 hours across the board, with the Pro XL pushing even higher thanks to a rumored 5200 milliamp cell. Wireless charging gets a boost with the Pixel Snap Tech. Price-wise, leaks point to the Pixel 10 starting at $799, Pixel 10 Pro at $999, and the Pro XL at $1,199. The Pro Fold topping at around $2,149 for the 1 terabyte variant. In Europe, expect about £899 at the low end and £2,289 for the Fold. Pre-orders open right after the August 20th event, with most models shipping by August 28th. The Fold may arrive a little later, possibly October. The Pixel Watch 4 is also expected with slimmer bezels, faster charging, Wear OS 6, and deeper Gemini AI integration. Pixel Buds 2A and maybe Buds Pro 2 are rumored too, with new colors like Moonstone and Iris, plus potential ANC and spatial audio. So that's the full picture. Leaks, renders, specs and all for the Pixel 10 lineup ahead of Google's big day. Which model and color have you hyped? And are you ready for the AI upgrades or sticking with what you got? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. It really helps the channel. And I'll be covering the launch live on August 20th. That's all for now, folks, and we will see you next go round.